Is the Triumph app truly the ultimate companion for passionate riders, or just another flashy promise wrapped in the name of technology and heritage? At first glance, the official Triumph app gives off a premium vibe. Sleek interface, elegant branding, and all the right words like iconic design, connected ride, and cutting-edge technology. It feels like the kind of tool every rider would want to enhance their experience. But once you dive deeper, the shine starts to fade a little. While it does connect your bike and your phone for stats, navigation, and ride tracking, things aren't as smooth as you'd expect from such a big name. The GPS feature, for example, can sometimes lag or even fail mid-ride, which can be frustrating when you're relying on it for accurate directions. Ride tracking, too, doesn't always capture your journey correctly. Small gaps and errors pop up here and there, making the data less reliable. Another issue many users notice is with calls. Instead of routing directly to the helmet, they often go straight to the phone, breaking that seamless hands-free promise. Route creation feels basic, and the lack of PC planning limits those who love pre-mapping their adventures in detail. Bluetooth connectivity can also be hit or miss. It works fine one moment and disconnects the next without warning. Yet it's not all bad. When it works, it genuinely enhances the riding experience, syncing key data and adding a layer of smart control. But when it works is the key word here. The Triumph app feels like it's built on a great idea, but still needs serious refinement to match the standard the brand represents. It's not a complete letdown, but it's also not the perfect tech Triumph fans deserve, at least not yet.